person to arrive. Come take a quick tour of the office with us and get to know us.
Alrighty guys, by now you've probably already taken your x-rays and also some pictures. And right over here we have our second TC room.
Every time you come into the office, whether you do braces or Invisalign, this is where the magic happens. It's an open bay. We have private areas over there.
And alrighty guys, we also offer brushing stations to all of our patients. We also have free toothpaste toothbrushes here if you need to do a quick little freshen up before your appointment. And we offer multiple different types of mouthwashes.
Dr. Z only wants the best for his patients, so we have a state-of-the-art lab included with 3D printers.